Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm doing a quick little review and packing video on this Wallace small Bowery crossbody. All right, so after I did a first look video and included this one in there, I've gotten a lot of questions and requests to do a full packing video on this particular style. So this is the small Bowery crossbody from Wallace. There's two different sizes, this one and then just the regular crossbody size. I will say right off the bat that I do wish I would have purchased the regular size crossbody, and I still may actually in this red color, which is an option on the website. I love this crossbody a lot. It's a little small for me. I think that the larger of the two sizes would be absolutely perfect. So if you're kind of deciding between the two, I would definitely get the bigger of the two sizes, but this one is still awesome. It's small, it's compact, it does hold just what I need, but I'm kind of a big bag girl naturally. So to go into a crossbody, it needs to be just a smidge bigger than this one, but I love it. I have zero complaints about it. It is so soft. The material is crazy good. Let's go ahead and get into what I have packed inside. The bag comes with two strap options. You have this one here that is like a webbed strap that is easily adjustable, that you can wear crossbody, and it has this little ring right here on the strap for you to attach anything, your keys or hand sanitizer, or of course the link pouches that are sold by Wallace. Now I don't know if these little pouches are available right now on the website because they do sell out rather quickly when they become available, but they have been restocking them. So this was a fun new red color that was just recently restocked. This one here is the small link pouch. There's 3 different sizes, and I think I've shared almost all 3 over the course of a couple of different packing videos. But inside this one, I just have my earbuds. These are a big kind of studio case earbuds. They look like this, and they fit perfectly inside this small little link pouch here. The other way that you can carry this crossbody bag is by the chain strap. It is a fully chain strap here, but it is coated with this soft leather material. It's really comfortable, and the drop length on it is really nice. It fits comfortably over my shoulder. I don't have any problems with it falling off or anything like that. I typically carry it with both of the straps on here, just in case I want to carry it crossbody, and then I just leave this strap kind of hang down below it so it doesn't get in the way or anything like that. On the outside of the bag, starting here with the front of it, you just have the Wallace logo here at the top. You don't have any pockets on the front of the bag. Turning it around here to the back, you do have the nice leather logo down here at the bottom. Look how soft this is. It's like a pillow. I'm not even joking. But there's one external pocket here, and I find it to be the perfect size for my face mask. This is a face mask made by Kitsch. You guys see them in all my videos. They are my absolute favorite. I'll have the link for them below, but I have that tucked down inside this pocket. I could probably fit more back there, but I just kind of keep my face mask separate from everything else. The zippers are nice and smooth, and I like having this pocket right here on the outside. Looking down at the top of the crossbody here, you can see that you have 2 separate compartments and 2 separate zippers. This one here in the front of the bag, I actually just have my wallet and keys. I can easily fit my cell phone in here if I need to. I've been throwing it in there from time to time, but the main thing that I have that I grab out of this pocket is going to be my wallet, and that is the Crosby Wallet here by Wallace. I've showed this a couple of times. It's been quickly one of my favorite wallets. I love how small and compact it is. The zipper is really, really smooth, and I like kind of the setup on the inside. It just holds everything so well. The only other thing I have down in here are my car keys, just sitting at the bottom of this particular spot of the crossbody. Moving on to the back here, as you can see when I take everything out of the inside here of the bag, this front kind of area becomes nice and flat. So you can really pack this as full as you want or not as full. It still holds that really soft, squishy shape to the bag. On the back here of the bag, in this particular zipper pocket, I just have all of the small things that I would need. So you have a zipper pocket back here, and I don't know if I put anything in that back pocket yet or not. I just have a hair tie and a nail file. So I threw a couple of small things in there, but this is just a small little area here if you want to put maybe pills or something that you don't want to get lost. Just kind of keeps everything separate from the bag. Then you also have another little slip pocket right here, and it's perfect for things like receipts or checks that you need to deposit at the bank, which is what I have in there. And then in this big area of the bag, I just have my hand cream. This is by Perfectly Posh. It's my favorite. This is actually my favorite hand cream, but this is a brand new scent that I've really been liking for like spring, summer. It's kind of like lavender, sandalwood. It smells really good. So I have that one down in there. I also have my Touchland hand sanitizer, and this one here is in the watermelon scent. I'm almost out. It's one of my favorites also. And then I just have a small little thing of Advil, a citrus chapstick, and another chapstick, I believe. Yep. This one has a little bit of a tint to it, so I have both of them in there. This here is kind of a better look on what the inside of that particular pocket looked like. You also have one small little pocket right down here. It's almost like a business card size. I don't have anything in that one. But as you can see, you can really fit a lot down in here. Like I mentioned earlier, I do wish I would have gotten the larger of the two sizes, so I likely will. And then I could do a little comparison kind of the two, because I absolutely love this crossbody. It's just really, really comfortable, yet it still looks very classy and sophisticated. So if you guys have any questions or comments at all, feel free to leave them below. I'll have the blog post, which has more pictures and links to everything that I mentioned in today's video, also listed below. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great day.